Hi, I'm Ninja Jinja, and it's time for some stretching. Let's start with a big breath in, reaching overhead, exhale down. Let's do it one more time. Inhale in, exhale down. Beautiful. We're going to start with our wrists. Go ahead and rotate them out and switch directions. Ready, go. Then we'll switch to elbows. Rotate the elbows. In opposite direction. Let's go. Beautiful. Now we're going to rotate our shoulders. Let's go ahead and do one at a time. Do small movements until you're ready to do bigger circles going backwards. And then we're going to switch directions. Ready? Other way. Get that blood flowing nice and juicy. Let's do the other side. And switch. Wonderful. Have fun with it. Your body's warming up to you. Now let's rotate the shoulders back and forth, getting the juices flowing, getting your body ready to move. Great. Now rotate your neck. You're going to start with very small movements. And as you warm up and get that blood flowing, the juices going, you can get deeper and deeper and deeper. Let's go the other way. Perfect. Now move your hip sockets from side to side, just loosening up your hips. Now rotate them like you're doing a sexy Zumba dance. Other way. Now we're going to rotate that ankle like you're warming up the bath with your foot. Just rotate it. And other direction. Wonderful. Now you're going to start with the knee. Now getting that bath really nice and warm with your foot. And other direction. Great. Now we're going to start with the hip. Big hip movements. If you need a chair for this exercise, feel free to grab one, as we're going to do both sides. But you're just warming up each socket as you go through the motions. Awesome. Let's do the other foot. And switch. Perfect. Work on that knee. Stirring the bath with your foot. Other direction. Perfect. And time for that hip socket. Nice big movements. Again, if you need a chair, pulling onto the wall from this movement, feel free to grab it. You can see I almost fell. Great. All right, let's slide those shoulders back and forth a few more times. Wonderful. Now we're going to slide down to the side and just go side to side a few times. Oh, it feels good, doesn't it? It feels good. Now take it down to the center. Now, if this is too hard for you to reach and it hurts your back, just take it a little bit wider. Hold it there, keep your back straight as possible, and then go ahead and roll it down. Make it feel comfortable for you. You're going to loosen up your hips. Rock back and forth. This feels good. Take it side to side, just loosening up. That's our goal here. Great. Now we're going to take it to a side stretch. You want to have that knee straight above the ankle for now. And you're really just working on that hip flexor, just really stretching it nice and long. Hold it. Great. Now we're going to take it to a side stretch. So this may not be available to you if you're not super flexible. So just take it down as low as you feel comfortable. If you're able to reach the floor, you can press on that inner kneecap to get down as low as possible while stretching. Great. Let's take it center once more. Again, rotating from side to side, loosening up. Let's take it to the other side to stretch the other hip flexor. Again, your goal is that hip flexor. Keep that knee straight above the ankle, pressing that hip towards the floor. Just release it. Say something nice to your body. Tell it it's going good job. Wonderful. And let's take it down to the side. Again, go as low as you feel comfortable. If you can stretch this low into the ground, get comfortable with it. Work on your hand placement and try to open up that hip by pressing it open on your kneecap. Enjoy. Great. We're going to take it to the center one more time. Bring it in just a little bit so you can really focus side to side. You can grab the floor, your ankles, calves, whatever feels comfortable. And whatever is tight, that's where I want you to pause and hold. Really loosening up here. All right, we're going to bring it in, flat back, and round it up. Beautiful. Exhale. All right, we're going to finish with some deep breathing and reaching to the sky. Go ahead, inhale, bring it up. Exhale it down. Bring it up. Exhale down. Keep going. Bring it up. Exhale down. One more. And you are now warm. Good job.